students, this is your STEM instructor Krishna, and I'm here today to do a fun experiment. Let's see what is that fun experiment. And that experiment is, let's make our own lemon battery. Now students, we all know that batteries are giving energy, and battery is the source of electric current. Well students, I'm sure you know, whenever we would want to power, say, your electric cars or say your electric gadgets, well, if you want to power your mobile phone, don't you think you require a battery? So what do you think, students, would a battery do? Yes, you got it correct. Battery is actually the source of electric current. You know what? A battery has a lot of chemicals stuffed inside it, put inside it. And these chemicals, when they react, it results into generation of electric current. So don't you think, students, it's rightly said that battery converts chemical energy into electrical energy. And this energy provided by the battery will drive the electricity through your gadget, which makes your gadget work. So let us see now how you can make this simple battery at your own home by yourself. So let us see lemon battery. So now students, as the name suggests, lemon battery. So let's take lemons. So here we have a lemon, but we would not be taking one lemon. We would be taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total of 6 lemons. Now what we do is step 2, take the lemon and roll it in between your hands. Well, why do you roll this lemon between your hands? The answer is, we would want the juices of the lemon to be inside. Well, why would you want the juices of the lemon to be inside? Well, the answer is, you know what? These juices of the lemon will help in the chemical reaction. And because these juices would help in the chemical reaction, don't you think you would want these reactions to happen fast so that your appliances work? That is the reason we would want to squeeze a little bit of the juice inside. That's the reason we roll the lemons. So that was a step 1, taking 6 lemons and rolling them between our hands to make it a little more juicy. Step 2, let us take 2 very important metals. Now students, you have the silver gray color metal here, and you have the brown or reddish brownish color metal. Which are these 2 metals? Can you think and tell me, students? Yes, the gray or the silver color metal is zinc. Which is the metal, students? Correct, it is zinc. And the reddish brown metal, which is here in my hand, what do you think it is? Yes, you are correct. It is copper. So which are the 2 metals now we are taking? We have zinc, the silver gray color metal, and we have copper, which is a reddish brown color metal. Well students, you might be thinking, so from where would we get the zinc and the copper metal strips? The answer is, it's very easily available at all the electrical appliances shop. And you know what's the best part about our today's experiment? Every single component is so easily available at your doorstep that you just need to order it probably online, or just go to a grocery shop or an electrical appliances shop and get these. So we had the lemons, which can be available at your supermarkets. You have the zinc and the copper strips, which are available where? Yes, at the electrical stores. So this was our second component. Now let us see the third component. And the third component is, and I'm sure you would understand, students, this is an electrical wire. But this is not just an electrical wire. Do you notice there are some very important points at the ends? And these are crocodile clips. Well, I'm sure you would understand, it looks like a crocodile. Quack, 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 quack. Yes, these are crocodile clips. And these crocodile clips will help to connect all these metal plates together, all these metal strips together. So we have this as the copper wire, the electrical wire with crocodile clips at the end. So now students, we had one, the lemons. How many we took? Yes, we took 6 of them. Then we rolled the lemons between our palms to make it a little more juicy so that these reactions happen fast. Then we took the zinc strip and the copper strips. And where do you get them? Yes, you would get them at your electrical stores. Then we took wires. What kind of wires did we take? We took wires having crocodile clips at the ends. Now let us see how to put them together in order to make our lemon battery. So now what we do is we take these 6 lemons and we put them one after the other. Now we will take the zinc strip and we will put the zinc strip inside the lemon the way I am doing it for you. So we have this, yes, and that's the zinc strip gone into the lemon. Now we will take a copper strip, and again students, the copper strip would be placed into the same lemon besides the zinc strip. So we had this lemon, the zinc strip is already there, now comes the copper strip, and we have the copper strip being pushed inside the lemon. So now students, what we will do is, for all our 6 lemons, we will have each lemon having the zinc strip and the copper strip being placed side by side. I hope students you are with me and you're getting it. Now what we do is we take these wires. Now the wires are taken in such a way that one crocodile clip would be connected to the copper, and the other end of the crocodile clip would be connected, listen to this carefully, the other end of the crocodile clip would be connected to the zinc plate of another lemon. I again repeat, one end of the crocodile clip is connected to the copper plate of one lemon, and the other end would be connected to the zinc plate of another lemon. Meaning, if you understood students, the connection is such that the copper plate of one lemon is connected to the zinc plate of another lemon. And that's how copper connected to zinc, copper connected to zinc, copper connected to zinc, copper connected to zinc. That's how your connections would go. And now if this is how the connections would go, don't you think students, now what would happen is, you will have one side, the crocodile clip connected to the copper end, free. And on the other side, we will have the zinc, one end of the crocodile clip being connected to the zinc and the other end free. So now we have one end connected to the copper, one end free, other end connected to zinc, one end free. Do you get this clear? So now students, we are done with our connection. So we have the lemons placed, zinc copper strips, connections, how are they? Yes, the zinc connected to copper, zinc connected to copper, such that the last 2 lemons on the extreme ends, one end connected to copper strip, free, another end connected to the zinc strip, and it's free. And now students, what we would be doing, we need to check whether really electricity is generated. We need to check, really, will this produce electricity? And how do you do that? Can you think and tell me, how would you check whether my lemon battery is really generating electricity or not? Think, think, think. And yes, I'm sure you would have got it. What we will do is, we will take one LED light. I am sure everybody knows LED. What does it stand for? Well, it stands for light emitting diode. So LED, light emitting diode. So let's take this LED light, and now what we would do is, students, let's connect one end of the crocodile clip to the one end or terminal of LED, the other one connected to the other terminal of the LED, and here it goes, my bulb is glowing. Yeah, I can see light. My God, if this light is glowing, that means electricity is generated. Congratulations, students. You see electricity being generated, and here you have the battery working and the light glowing. So now, students, I would want you to make your own lemon battery. I hope you understood generation of electric current. Goodbye, God bless, adios.